Carson. And to end this award, we'd like to request our sponsor, Junmar Carson, together with Honorable Evelyn Deruda and Honorable Ana May Baldomero. Again, aside from the gift packs, you will also receive within this year, tama ba ko, sponsors, within this year, kung na mo event, pwede mo magpa-decor sa iya for free. Alright, backdrop decor. Okay, congratulations! Ginang number! Sino? Congratulations! Ginang number 2! There you go. Thank you so much, our